To ask, eventually parang mahal ata, how many trees do we buy with that amount? Okay? Now, with the 33,820 that we are paying, remember you are buying it per tree, but of course, with the farm services, no? With the service of caring and nurturing of our orchards for 5 years. Now, if we will simply divide the amount of money we pay, for 5 years po na inalagaan ng company, that's 1,825 days, it actually cost you only 18 pesos a day for 5 years for the company to maintain your orchards for you. Now, saan po naman napunta yung 18 pesos a day? First, it went to the high maintenance and technology that the company is applying. Kasi alam niyo, technology is also expensive. It went to the, for the pesticides, and yung mga ina-apply po natin sa ating orchards. It went for the water resources, inclusive of the building of waterways and reservoir for irrigation. For the expert advice and consultancy for optimum fruition, of course, we're paying our consultant. Now, for fire prevention and safety, minimaintain po natin orchard kasi pag yung mga talahig lumaki, prone sa sunog. So, we have to trim it. Okay? Now, for the orchard site security and safety, for the use of the orchard amenities, for the labor and equipment. Not to mention, number one, the choosing and the use of the land, which of course we have expense on that. And second, the gene pool selection. Choosing the right variety of the mango seedling. Kailangan po exportable variety. All of this that we apply, okay, for the tree plus the farm services for 5 years, costing you 18 pesos a day. Mura po mahal. Okay, mura yun. Okay, bakit? Number one, if like 5 of us gather together and pull that amount of money at 33,920 each in 6 months, siguro po, ubus na yun. Okay? Dito, 5 years po natin i-maintain. So dito, nakatipid ka pa ng pera, it saves you more money. Second, it saves you more time. Why? Kasi we do not have the time to manage our orchard because all of us are working as well. So dito po, yung management na mag-aasikaso, hindi ikaw. Number 3, it saves you also the skill. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang pag-aralan because we're already experts manning our orchard. So this is a better choice, sharing to individual a hassle-free mango farming. Now, when you buy your micro mango orchard, you also acquire a Good Harvest business license, okay, which becomes more like a passport to world of financial freedom para kumita po tayo ng mas malaki. You can either participate with our direct selling scheme or either our cooperative referral program, which is actually a choice for you. Now, Good Harvest then becomes a hassle-free mango farming business because there's a technical team taking care of it. You need not to wait to earn because we have an optional marketing program to maximize and earn immediate. And no worries. Bakit? Kasi po nakatanim na. Sabi nila, matutuloy ba yan? Baka hindi mag-push. Alam niyo po, this is already an existing project. Nakatanim na. This has been planted for almost 2 years now. Bawal putulin, bawal bunutin. Okay? At ito po is 100% supported by the municipality of Bagak. We are supported by the Department of Agriculture and DNR. Now, if you would remember what happened few months ago, yung nangyari pong tragedy na soil erosion in Quezon. And why is it happening? Because of land degradation. Dahil sa mga nagpuputol ng puno, kaya nagbaha, maraming namatay. So, dito po ngayon, ini-encourage tayo more ng gobyerno to plant more trees and to support our government and to build up more our environment, okay, para maiwasan ang mga baha, ang soil erosion at ang pollution.